Hi friends, I'm Ramti. In this video I show you how to set up Visual Studio Code for programming with Python. So you can start with searching code.visualstudio.com in your browser, and then here in the main page of website you can read the introduction and download the stable version for your platform. For example, in this case I'm in Windows. Or you can download for other platforms and Insider Edition. Insider Edition is a kind of like beta version. You can download here too, and in this page you can see other installer links for all platforms. And again, you can see the insider build link here, and you can download the insider build for Mac, Windows, and Linux. In this case, I decide to download 64-bit system installer for Windows.
A few moments later.
Here, I just downloaded the Visual Studio Code installer. Just run it by double-click it. And then here in the installer window, in the first step, just accept the agreement. Next, you can choose the install location. Again, next. Never mind, next. Here you have some options like create a desktop icon and add open with code action to Windows Explorer file and directory context menu. Again, next, and install.
2 hours later.
After that, click finish. This is a Visual Studio Code welcome page. You can choose your theme. For example, I choose dark. After that, close the welcome tab. To add Python support for Visual Studio Code, go to Extension Marketplace right here, and then you need to install Python extension. This is an extension that adds support for Python to Visual Studio Code, and you will have many tools to program with Python. To install it, just click install and wait till the install.
2 hours later.
Python extension is successfully installed on my Visual Studio Code, and now you can easily use Visual Studio Code as a Python IDE. For example, I create a Python file right here. It asks you select the language. For example, here in the list I choose Python, and then the file name test.py, and then you need to save it. I save in the default location, for example test.py, and here you need to choose a suffix of file. Then suffix is .py, means Python file, and again save, and this is your Python file. For example, print Ramtin programming, and it runs correctly. If you have any comments, just let me know, and make sure that thumbs up. Till the next video, goodbye.